right, y'all. It popped up for $14.50, 8.8 miles, but I think it's a $30 order. I think this is a unicorn. 9 items. I accepted it, of course, you know. Hunting unicorns, that's me. Haha. Accepted it. She's spending $134. So I think this is a $30 order. I'm about to pick it up and share the results with y'all. Stay tuned, man. End of the video, baby. Hunting unicorns. I'm gonna share the results, whether it's a unicorn or not. Pass or fail, baby. But I think it's at least a $30 order, man. That's my prediction. Stay tuned. Wait time. No wait time shouted. Happy about that. I love no wait time. No wait time is a beautiful thing. But this nasty ass 17-minute drive, I'm about to knock it down to 15 minutes. But still, it's a nasty motherfucker. I hope this is a $30 order, y'all. But this weak ass Monday, man. It's slow today. It's slow as hell on this Monday. I'm out here cherry picking till I die, hunting unicorns, trying to get it. I'm about to drop this off in 13 minutes. Let's get it. Not a big order, not a big order. Big boy bag, get y'all one of these bags, man. Just put it on the seat. I'll have no spills. If something does spill, it spill inside the bag. Yeah, big boy bag. Get y'all one of these, man. Y'all got one of these? I got mine for free, actually. They sent me mine when they accepted me into the drive program. Mine is old as hell. They probably got better ones now. Yeah, almost there. 7 minutes away. 7 minutes away. All right, y'all. Y'all gotta make a guess, man. Y'all gotta make a guess. Make a prediction of what you think this order might be. You think it's gonna be $14.50 like it was at acceptance? You think they hit a couple cents? Make a guess and leave it in the comments. I'm gonna give y'all a couple seconds to do that real quick, man. My prediction was $30 bucks. That's what I predicted. I just dropped it off, man. A couple seconds. All right. 28 bucks. I was $2 off. That's cool. That's smooth, man. I just knew it was a unicorn because of the amount of items that was in the order. It was 9 items from the cheesecake, y'all. Damn, 9 items from the cheesecake. I knew that was about to be something. But they didn't even really spend that much. They only spent like $130. From my knowledge, from the numbers that I get on my end, you know, you can always go look at how much the customer is spending. I heard Androids, they can see that on acceptance screen, I heard. I'm like, what the fuck? That's crazy. That'd be sweet. If I can see that on the acceptance screen, man, I'd be out here killing shit. That's a good piece of information to know at acceptance. How much they spend, and that's great how much is in that cart. That's awesome. But all right, y'all, $28 unicorn. Back at it again. I was worried about this one, but I was right. All right, that put some pep on my Monday real quick. All right, let's get it. Back to it. Back to my dash. It's 5:20. I'm about to cherry pick till I die all through dinner time. Let's get it.